Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello.
What, do you want to go to school?
Yeah?
What do you learn in school?
Nothing.
Shut up. Talk properly.
I learn nothing.
Why don't you like school?
Because school's not my favorite.
Why?
Because I don't like school.
What do you like?
I only like home.
What do you do at home?
I play everything and learn everything.
Learn what?
Learn everything.
Say ABCD, quick.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, J, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
And say 1, 2, 1. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Oh, okay. Nice. What else do you learn in school?
Nothing.
Why? Oops. What did you do? You just did something. You burped? Don't do that.
Nothing.
Okay, why did you cut your hair?
Because I like cutting my hair by myself.
Was it accidental or intentional?
Intentional.
Huh? But you told me it was an accident.
Okay, fine, it was an accident.
Shut up,
You shut up.
crazy girl.
Shut up, you.
No.
Sorry.
Say I love you.
I love you. Today.
Bye. Open your eyes wide.
Bye.
Hello.
I love you.